Welcome friends, it's Yuri. We start our weekly market analysis where I will show you where you can trade Bitcoin, Forex, currency pairs, S&P 500, and also I will answer on all your questions. What you should do at this moment. First, you should push like, you should write to me about quality of sound and video. That would be the best feedback that we can start. Friends, I wait for your feedbacks about quality of sound and video. Yeah. Friends, I wait for your feedback. Friends, I wait for your feedback. I would like to hear from you, friends, about I wait for your feedback. Sound and video. Friends, I wait for your feedback. Good. I see. All good. Awesome. Mike, thank you for your feedback. Guys, once more, I need to see more people. We'll wait 1 minute more and after that we will start. I think it will be enough for all of you to write about feedback. Also, in the chat right now, write what instruments analysis of which you would like to see. And don't forget, friends, many of you ask me about trading strategy, how to trade, but I think when you open my YouTube channel, you will see that many days before we recorded so many useful videos, analysis, articles. Ready? Hi, nice to see you here. I recorded 3 lessons about my trading strategy. It is about how to build key levels properly, how to trade false breakout, and also my favorite trading strategy, huge ATR plus key levels. That's why once more, what you should do right now, you should subscribe on my YouTube channel because you will get notification about our future all lessons. We will create so many useful lessons and ideas. That's why right now you should push like and subscribe because you will get it for free. You don't need to pay money. Friends, last year I paid for my education 30,000 of USD, free all thousands of USD for my education, and here you can get it for free. We will wait additional minute. Hi, Euro USD. Yes, we will start from Euro USD. Friends, first I see that only one instrument, two instrument which is interesting for you. It's Euro USD, USD Japanese yen. Write more instruments which you would like to see. Your questions about trading, it's alive. Here we can discuss everything what you want. Dominic, hi Dominic. And also many of you will ask about previous lessons. And here is, you can save it. It is a previous lessons about my favorite trading strategy, which you can trade especially intraday. And here is a lesson about how to trade false breakout. That's why, friends, what you should do right now, you should open it and save it, because after this webinar you will be able to watch it for free. Hello, British pound still short. British pound, Japanese yen. We will cover British pound. What wrong with Bitcoin price? What do you mean about wrong? About the gold. Yes, we will do the gold. Hello from US. Let's see gold. We will cover gold. I promise you. Good, friends. I see that you woke up. I see that we can start. Like I mentioned to you, push like, subscribe, push notification, and let's go. About our analysis, first I would like to open my real account here. A few seconds, because I like to analyze from my real account. And first I would like to make this stuff lower. Okay, good. Friends, about Euro USD, what I would like to tell you, Euro USD, huge possibility price will continue down drop. Maybe it would be better if we will use trading view, because trading view far more interesting. Once more about Euro USD, I think you can see this key level which we can build here. And what I see on Euro USD, I see that price accumulate before this key level and price already creates this triangle. What does it mean? That huge possibility if price will break it down, there would be a down drop. I would personally would like to trade if there would be a mirror level, accurate one. After that, I would like to open sell entry. But what you need to understand, technically we still have this downtrend and price didn't change it. And if you will take a look on global picture or even on weekly chart or even monthly chart, you will see that we're still in this downtrend, that even this up price didn't change anything. That means huge possibility price will continue pull back. Bitcoin going to moon soon. Maybe that could happen. Hello dear, I saw your lesson about false breakout and little about ATR. Which simple indicator we can use for ATR? About ATR, I will record and I will share my free lesson. I will share free lesson on Wednesday. That's another reason why you should subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, because on Wednesday you will get notification about ATR and how you can trade it. I hope it is clear for you. Few seconds. Good. Awesome, friends. Awesome to see all of you here. Once more, if you have any additional questions, just right now type it into a chat. About Euro USD, still priority is down. The next one, it is a British pound. British pound, like we sent on TradingView idea. Here, take a look here on TradingView, we sent this idea. And to be honest, nothing changed. First, take a look, get this link, open my TradingView, you'll be able to get accurate ideas which we see on everyday base. First, the price at this moment, you can see between two key levels. First one, it is this key level, which we can build by this candle. Why? Paranormal candle. And here is also price bounced from it. And next key level, it is here. And at this moment, I wait when price will hit one of them and will show something. In most cases, if price will hit this level from this place, I would like to trade by. Few seconds, I would like to delete all that stuff because it doesn't help us. What you need to understand, everything depends how price will approach to one of this key level. Also, take a look, British pound, all these days inside of this candle. It calls one candle USDCAD, Euro please, and US oil. Of course, I will do it. Of course, friends. This calls inside one candle range. When price inside on one candle. In that case, border of that range. Border of that candle, it is a border of the range also. And how we can trade it? First, we can trade it when price will approach sharply to it, false breakout up, or if price will break it down, after pullback we will open sell. The same stuff here on a buy. We have this key level, everything depends how price will approach to this level. If there would be sharp up price, we will open sell. If there would be slowly approach and price will break it up, that could be a good sell limit level, mirror level, with goal before this mirror level. That's why we should wait for this one. Best for you at this moment is to subscribe on my TradingView page, and there when I will see accurate idea, I will share it for you for free. That's why I sent a link on my TradingView page. Few seconds, I will share with you link on my TradingView page, and friends, those of you who didn't follow, just follow me. And in my Telegram channel, I also will send notifications. That's why I recommend to you to subscribe on these social networks, and you will be able to get all info. Yes, we will cover Bitcoin first, as always, about major currency pairs. Yes, South African rank, I also will do it. Friends, type into a chat if you have any additional questions about Euro USD and British pound. And let's go to Japanese yen. About Japanese yen, what you need to understand, at this moment price in the middle of this range, and to be honest, I don't like to trade it. How many candles between breakout and retest of level fangs? Man, about how to trade that stuff, I share for my students. I share my students how to trade it, and here is an example high. Does one index, for example, wakes up how much higher or lower over the weekends? What affects it exactly if there is noon to trade? Do some brokers allow big players to trade weekend spanks? What you need to understand about big guys do not trade through brokers. Brokers, it is a small guys. Big guys, it is JP Morgan, Bank of America, all that stuff, and they trade directly between each other. And small guys, our brokers, has access to big guys. That's why it works a little bit different. And big guys see all transaction, all real money, and they can trade at whatever they want, and you will never see their volume. Hi, Laura, what can you advise me on Euro USD? I have buy position when we terminate. Please send a screenshot with your buy positions. I need to see. Also write what risk per position did you use. Like you put risk whole account 10%. After that I will show you feedback, because without good feedback it's hard. Also friends, many of you ask me about education and about how to learn how to trade properly according to my trading strategy. What do I recommend to you at this moment? First, we have recorded course, and also I teach people personally, face to face, how to trade properly according to my trading strategy. That's why what you should do at this moment, below this video in a comment, you will find contacts of my team, and you should write about education, about personal coaching, and believe me, and my assistant will send you all feedbacks about it. And also when someone needs there's some topic which I didn't cover, I record it and we upload it in 1 day, in 2 days. That's why you will get all knowledge about key level strategy, how to trade it, and all that stuff. British pounds, euro, okay, good, we will cover all that stuff. Once more, Japanese yen at this moment between key levels, and there is no entry where you can trade it, because if we would delete all this stuff, what you will see, let's open for start weekly, you will see that we have two key levels. First one is here, and second one is here. And what does it mean? That there is no entry in the middle. That means if you will open entry on Japanese yen, you will have very huge risk. Take a look on example how price bounced previous time from accurate key level. Take a look, key level from this place, price made this uprise, and take a look how price bounced here. That's a reason why you should trade key levels and learn how to trade it. And also I recorded on my YouTube channel, you will find a lesson about key levels for free, how to build key levels for free. Once more, that's why about Japanese yen, I personally is out. I'm out. I do not trade Japanese yen at this moment, and I do not recommend to you. If you have any positions, you can write to me. I will send you my thoughts about your position, but about new one, no. Okay, the next one will be Canadian. Where is USD Canadian? At this moment, take a look, USD Canadian, this triangle, USD Canadian depends so much on oil. What you need to understand, when you take a look on USD Canadian, you also need to take a look at the same time on oil. And only in that case, you will be able to make good judgment, because US, UK oil, okay, let's it be UK oil or even WTI, it doesn't matter. If you will take a look on UK oil, you will see that when oil starts uprise, 31, Canadian also would start drop. And what you need to understand, it totally depends at this moment on oil. If oil will continue uprise, the next one key level, it is this one. Canadian will continue down drop. That's why at this moment you cannot trade it, because still it is in this range. First reason why you cannot open entry on Canadian, because it is in this triangle, and only if when price will break it down, or when price will break it up, you will be able to open accurate entry. That's all. And also it totally depends on oil, and that means you trade not only Canadian, you trade oil. And I do not like to trade such instrument which has huge correlation with other assets. because for you it's hard to count risks. If you have any position, write to me, but I personally do not recommend to open Canadian at this moment. Forex King, I just wrote to you about USD Canadian and US oil. If you have any additional questions, tell me, but I do not recommend all of you friends trade Canadian at this moment. Let's go to other major currency pairs. Take a look. Australia, where is that one? Australian USD. Okay, let's count Australia USD. Oh my god, who did it? Australia, huge possibility price will continue uprise. At this moment I see this key level, and what you can do first, you can see that the price, we have this trend line, this channel, and price broke it up. Technically you can open buy position with risk here, but I personally do not trade such formation. If you like it, you can take it, but cat economy depends on oil. Yes, Forex King, yes, totally depends on oil. About Australia, price broke up this channel, and technically it will continue uprise to this key level. Why this place is important? Because on D1 you can see that from it is a paranormal candle, and also it is a higher border of pullback. From this place price made all this down drop. Mostly first reaction on this key level will be bounce. That's why what you can do first, here you can try to open buy position, especially if this D1 will close above, and second, you'll be able to open sell. You're welcome. Friends, write please in the chat, is it clear about instruments which I showed to you? Maybe you have some additional questions. I'll help you, and for me it's important to see your feedback. At this moment, please type into a chat clear or clarify. If I need to clarify, type in a chat what exactly I should clarify. The main reason why pairs go crazy, because it is stick between trading session. It's like when US closed, but Asia, Japan or Australia still is not open, and at that time many banks are closed, and in that time spread are bigger. That's why what can I tell you? That's why spread will be bigger. If you trade properly, you don't have anything to worry. Clear. Friends, I see 57 people here, but only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 7 of you wrote about clear. Friends, wake up. Those of you from America, wake up and type into a chat that clear or clarify. It's important. Let's go to New Zealand, and after that I need to very clear USD Japanese yen. Yes, I did USD Japanese yen a few minutes ago. You will be able to see it after, because there will be a record. New Zealand, friends, technically New Zealand will continue uprise, because at this moment you can see we have this key level. Take a look here. This key level by Paranormal Candle, also it is a mirror level. Take a look here, and here. And also it is totally the same like Australia. You can see on this upward channel, and price broke it up. Technically it looks like it will continue uprise. I personally do not trade it, because I trade only key levels. And here what you can do, you can open buy at this key level with risk below this, and first goal will be here. I would personally trade New Zealand if price will hit this key level. First reaction on this key level with huge possibility would be good bounce. British pound, Swiss franc. Okay. Yuri, I need your indicator for MT4 ATR. Where can I get it? I send it for my students and for my VIP members who follow my signals only. For free, I will not share that indicator, because I paid a lot of money for creation it. Okay, go ahead. Let's go to instruments which you wrote. Euro, British pound. Euro British pound, what you need to pay attention. First, we have this key level. It is the closest key level to us. Take a look here. It is the closest one. Also, we have this local trend is down. Global price in a range, in this very global range. That's why at this moment what we need to understand, if price will break down this key level, it will open way to continue down drop, and the next goal will be on D1, and next goal will be till this key level, till this mirror level. As you can see, it would be the next goal if price will break it down. Ripple, okay, I will cover Ripple. Push like. Also, friends, many of you ask me about VIP signals, how it works. At this moment, write to my assistant. She will send you all information about VIP signals, about how it works, all statistics, all feedbacks, all that stuff. Just write now and get your best signals and best recommendation from me and my team. Because from 1st April, I added 2 traders who will help me with signals. Because I like to trade not many trades per month, but very, very accurate. I like to take not many, and they have different strategy. But also one trader has 10 years of experience, and another trader has 6 years of experience, and I have 7 years of experience. That's why together we have 23 years experience in trading. It's quite a lot. South African rank, USD there. Friends, we will cover fix soon, and after that we will go to crypto. About South African rank, huge possibility of a pullback, because take a look. In most cases, after such parabolic, as you can see, price made parabolic uprise, and here also it was parabolic uprise. After that parabolic uprise, in most cases, there would be a pullback. I think from this place, price can do a pullback to this key level. What will be the next? It's hard to say, because this currency pair does not have a lot of volume. And when you trade this currency pair, you need to understand that in any case, your government can interfere and can make some disease. That's why I do not recommend you to trade USDZAR. And also spreads are huge, and there's no reason to do it. It's like I do not trade my national currency. My national currency is Ukrainian hryvnia, but spreads huge, low volatility. There is not a lot of traders where you can trade it. That's why I'm out of it. What else instruments you wrote to me? British pound, Swiss franc, and okay, British pound, Swiss franc, and after that we will go to gold, oil, and silver. British pound, Swiss franc. I would definitely try to trade here and here. It is a 2 key places where I would like to trade if price will show false breakout, nearly one of them. Why? Why is this key places for me is important? Because first, if you would take a look on this key level, it is a higher border of a pullback. From this place, price made all this down drop. And second one, it is here. It is this mirror level. It is a border of this range. It is a place where price accumulates huge position. And I think first reaction on 2 of them could be a good and accurate pullback. And why I would like to trade only there? Why I do not open buy here? Because I don't know what will happen at this moment with price. Price can do pullback from this place, and also price can hit this level from this place. That's why I'm out where I cannot control my risk. Please, natural gas. He has the powers. British pound, Swiss franc. Elon Musk will take Bitcoin to the moon. Everything can happen, and what? Will go to the moon. Yes, Bitcoin will go to the moon, and before it, Bitcoin hit 3,500. How do you know that Bitcoin will not hit 3K before it will go to the moon? Where is your entry with low predictable risk? That's the main question in trading. But Bitcoin will go to the moon in 3 years, in 5 years, in 10 years. You don't know time scale. You don't know what will happen before it. you do not think like a trader when you write that Bitcoin will go to the moon. Every instrument can go to the moon. Everything can happen in trading. First is low predictable risk. In all cases, it is a foundation of all strategies, but not Bitcoin to the moon. Okay, USD Swiss franc. Friends, at this moment, take a look here, weekly chart. Here is another example for you why you should trade key levels, and because take a look how price bounced from key level properly. Open my YouTube channel, subscribe, and there you will find my lesson about key levels, how to build key levels properly. Open it and learn it for free. There are also examples from it. Another key level is here, and also another key level is here, because from this place price made a powerful drop. And what can I tell you at this moment? At this moment there is no entry, because you cannot open buy here because your stop loss will be here. You cannot open sell because you are going against this short-term trend. The best what you can do is just to be out. It's important to see how price will react on this key level. That would be slowly approach and triangle. Price will break it up, and next goal will be this key level. And I think best entry would be nearly this key level, because from this key level I think first reaction would be drop at least for 200-300 pips. What about DEX in Bitcoins is going to dump for a last time once again before halving. Kishach, you need to understand, no one knows. No one knows what will be with Bitcoin. If some people know what will be with Bitcoin, first they would buy it they would sell everything what they have and would buy it. And second, everything can happen. You don't know what big players plans, and also there are not only one big player. There could be different big players who play this game. That's why best what you can do, you can pick key places where you can trade, and only at that places you can trade your strategy. Bitcoin is in a rising wedge from okay, good friends. We finish with currency pairs because they can fool us sometimes. Yes, they will fool us as many times as they want. Friends, we finished with currency pairs, and let's go to, thank you, you can answer to me 100. Friend, if you think it is useful, push like and subscribe, because you will get more, far more. Let's go to cryptocurrencies, gold and oil. Friends, push like, subscribe and share with your friends. Gold, once more, at this moment pay more attention about not CFD, pay attention to futures on gold, because price is far more accurate. Once more here on gold, take a look here. Price bounced from this mirror level, made here this trap and continue up price. As you can see, the price continue up price to the border here. At this moment, it's interesting to see how price will react on 1700, because everything looks like if price will break it up, that would be a continue up price. Why? Because long-term trend up, short-term trend up. In a world there are a lot of stuff with coronavirus, oil drop. That's why at this moment huge possibility of uprise, but we cannot open buy here. Why? Because your risk will be below this key level. It is more than nearly 700 pips. It's too much. That's why for you it is important to wait for something clear. For example, if there would be a pullback to this key level here, false breakout, you can open entry. Buy entry with low risk and potential profit in many times bigger. That's how it works. Okay, about oil once more. About oil, I don't know about this game, because friends, it is someone played in some difficult game, because you can see price broke up this downward channel. At this moment, what can I tell you? I have two key places on oil which I wait. If price will hit it, I would like to open entry. First one, it is here. If there would be a false breakout, I would like to open sell. And second, it is on US oil. It would be here. If the price will hit this key level and will show false break, I also would like to open sell, because I don't know who plays this game. Why? Because There is no deal with OPEC, there is no deal between Russia, Saudi Arabia, US, and there is no reason for oil rise because many countries shut it down. But price is rising. If I do not understand something, I do not trade. That's my point. I have key places on oil. You can see it here. I set alert here. You can see once more. And I set alert on UK oil here. If price will hit that places, I will get a notification. And if that would be everything good, I will trade my false breakout. That's all what I will do on oil at this moment. And also about S&P 500, few words. Many of you ask me. Take a look here. Price broke up this downward channel, accumulation and mirror level. Everything looks like price will go to this key place, key level. Take a look on this key level, 2710, nearly 10. On some brokers it is a little bit different. If price will hit this key level, I would like to open sell entry, because you will see that quarter report on US economy will be horrible. And also another key level on S&P 500 is here, and I believe that price will drop from one of them. It is this one. Take a look. From this place price might re-high, and first reaction, take a look how price bounced dramatically. I think if that would be, if price will come back to this key level, first breakout, it would be the best entry, and we will hold sell to reload, because I think with huge possibility S&P 500 will reload. Can we talk about US 100 or US 30? They will follow S&P 500. They will always follow S&P 500. If you have any question about that indexes, like you hold position, you can ask, but correlation between that indexes is more than 90%. That's why they will follow each other. Friends, type into a chat, is it clear with Forex, gold, oil, and S&P 500? If yes, we will go to Bitcoin, Ripple, and other cryptocurrencies, which is interesting for you. Friends, in a chat, just type good, understand, okay, let's go to Bitcoin. Any of this stuff, it will be good feedback for me that we can go to Bitcoin and all the different stuff. Okay, we will take a look on now. Clear, BTC, good. Good friends, let's go to Bitcoin. Good. First, about Bitcoin, what you need to understand after this huge drop, it's another example for you how key levels works. Take a look here. Yes, sometimes key levels will not work, you will get your stop loss, but friends, when it works, you can take 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 12, 1 to 20. You can be profitable only in 25% times, and you will make good money. When you have 50% of profit entries, you are amazing. That's why I always recommend to all of you to learn key levels, because you will have low predictable risk. Once more, I will send to you a lesson about key levels, and after this webinar, what you will do, you will take a look and you will learn it. Where is it, chat? A few seconds. Here is my lesson, free lesson about key levels. Friends, save that link, and after this webinar just open it and you will be able to trade it. It's for free. You don't even need to be my student. But those who will be my student, I will show you one stuff which far more important even than key levels. But key levels is good, because sometimes key levels will not work, and you need to know preconditions, and you need to have all pictures together. Okay, here, take a look. First we have this paranormal candle, and we have this upward channel. What you need to understand, with huge possibility, Bitcoin will continue uprise to this key level, and to this key level by paranormal candle. Why? Just imagine how many efforts big players put to drop this price and to hit all stop losses here. I think many traders here set their stop losses on buy position. Just imagine everyone who buy a Bitcoin here with leverage, they could be wiped out. Because take a look, if you have even third leverage from 10,000, from 9,000 to 3,500, it is 300%. It is huge. It is 1 to 3, and most of the people who open by here, here, and here, they go out from market by margin call. That's why this level is important. It was a hunt of big players, and at this moment, everything looks like they will hit this candle. Technically, first reaction on this key level could be a bounce. What does it mean? When price will approach to this key level, huge possibility, first reaction would be a false breakout and bounce for 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. That's why if there would be false breakout here, you can trade it. And also, if price will drop at least for 4,000, 5,000 area, you can buy Bitcoin for long term and hold it for a few months, because howling very close, as you remember, and after that huge possibility price will rise. Good friends, do you have any questions about Bitcoin? Write your questions at this moment about Bitcoin in the chat right now. Type please, and also type your cryptocurrency which you would like to see. I remember some of you asked me about Ripple. The same on Ripple. Take a look. Ripple, this upward channel. Where is this stuff? Okay, Ripple. As you can see, Ripple also in this channel. Huge possibility. Ripple, do you have a ledge? Do you have a ledge for BTC? What do you mean by ledge? Because I'm not native speaker, sometimes some words I will not be able to understand. Take a look on Ripple, the same stuff, this paranormal candle. This paranormal candle price may drop from it, and this upward channel is going to hit this one. First reaction could be bounce after that, friends. Hard to say. If that would be real low, it would be a good place to open long-term buy. Resistance is 7,200. DAP can start from 7. Once more, I told you, key level is 7,974. Why? Because it is a border of this paranormal candle. 7,200. I do not have a key level here. Where is it? Key level. This level is important, yes, because from this place 7,300, from this place price made this pump, but as you can see, price already once time bounced from it and came back. As you can see, what you need to understand, when price bounced from one key level and after that came back, that means still we have a good buyer, because from this place price didn't drop, didn't make a real low. That means we have powerful buyer. It stores your BTC. You need to understand that normally I only trade BTC, and also I trade BTC mostly from exchange and from CFD brokers. That's why I mostly storage only USD. About that stuff, if you need one, you can use contacts of my team, right? And I'll share with you people who can help you with that stuff. Okay, Litecoin, friends, the same upward channel, totally the same like Bitcoin. The same picture, upward channel, key level by paranormal candle, the same. Ethereum a little bit different, because take a look here also. Triangle, price approach to key level, first time bounced but came back. As you can see here also price bounce. At this moment, if price will come back above at least, and after pull back, you'll be able to open accurate buy entry. That would be the best formation for you. Technically, it is are levels humans made, or is it related to something else? To be more prices, do traders move markets when it hits certain levels more than some other factors? That nature of levels is interesting for me. Nature of levels, what is a nature? It is a places when someone big change a price, because just imagine key level on gold. Average daily volume of gold billions of dollars or even trillion, and it require huge amount of money to move that instrument. And key levels, it's a places where big players, someone big, put a lot of money and change its direction. That's why key levels is important. Also, after that, when most of the traders, when they see key levels, they mostly will set their stop losses nearly that level, below it, above it. And also a lot of traders trade breakout strategies. That's why nearly key levels, there are a lot of orders and a lot of volume. For big players, the most important part in trading is to accumulate huge volume, because just imagine, if you big players like JP Morgan, they have under their management not billions, they have trillions of USD. And for them, if they want to make money, they need to accumulate huge position like 1 million lots, and they cannot do it in 1 second. That's why they will move instrument to key level where a lot of stop losses will take it, and they will have enough fuel to make money into their direction. That's why it will be good. The fees are expensive on CFD. Yes, on CFD fees expensive, but for me it's okay because I have big account. I have many accounts with my investors. Take a look here. I have this. It is one of my account, 300k, and also I have another accounts with different amount, and also with this broker. And that's why for me it is better to trade with this broker. Friends, once more. Many of you ask me about education, about how to start trade better. A few seconds, I would like to share BiKo Trading. Many of you ask me about, thank you, very clear. Many of you ask me about trading, about education, ask about help. The best help which you can do for yourself is to start learning how to trade properly. I recorded a course where I took everything what you need to know about trading to become a good trader. First, it is about risk management. Second, it is about psychology. It is about big players, how they control market, type of markets, which is better to trade for you, how to choose good best broker, technical analysis, key levels, all that stuff, fundamental analysis. Yes, I use sometimes fundamental analysis. Entry, exit points. I share with you 3 strategies. That is breakout, false breakout, and bounce. That's why for you it will be awesome to trade it. Also statistic, how you can analyze your statistic when you are a good trader, what you need to do to earn more with the same efforts. How you can earn more with the same efforts. And that's all. Friends, you don't need to spend many of years. I spent 7 years and paid 30k for this education, and took me 7 years. You can take it far more cheaper. That's why below this link you will find a contact of my team, and at this moment you should write and ask them about feedbacks, because we have awesome feedbacks, very warm feedbacks. And also you should ask about price. Maybe there would be some promotions, because my team do it. Below contacts in a chat you will find that contacts, and also you will find that contacts in below this lesson. That's why right now what you should do, write to my team and ask about that. And also those of you who will write today, I will share with you risk management soft. Risk manager, what is it? It is a soft which will save your account, which will protect your account from losses, and you will get it for free. That's why right now write to my team. Friends, thank you for your time. See you next Monday. On Wednesday you will get free lesson about ATR, how to use it. Thank you for your time. Bye.